This how-to video is going to show how to start and stop the virtual panels for services. There's actually two, so we're going to be stopping and restarting each individual one. So where you want to start is the VT3000 core software. And the reason you would be doing this is you were told by a technician to go ahead and stop and start those services. Underneath administration, you want to go to Control Center, Administration, Control Center. Basically, you want to go to your Applications tab. And then here's all of the services right here. So the virtual panels for WCF. So this is basically what processes the panel data. And then the virtual panel is the web interface, which is what you interact with when you actually go to that application. So the first one that you want to stop, start, or restart is this WCF service. Essentially, stop that, your properties populates. You go ahead and hit stop. And so now it's not showing me that start button because it didn't do it yet. So basically you just want to hit refresh. And then now you'll have that message that it's stopped. You have our stop play button, is back icon. So essentially now you can just click to start the service. Now you can see it's come up, it's started to have all my icons. Then you want to move on to the web interface. So click that over here. And then it's the same process. We're just going to hit stop. And then we're going to hit the refresh. Now we can see that it's stopped. And then now we're just going to hit start. And now we can see that that has started. That'll conclude this video on how to stop and start the VP4 service. Forward to talking to you again.